In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoice in QuickBooks Online. Adding your logo to invoices is an important step in branding your business and creating a professional impression for your clients. QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and straightforward, and in just a few minutes you can have your logo integrated into your invoices. Whether you're setting up invoices for the first time or looking to update them, this guide will walk you through every step. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description below to get started. First, make sure your computer is turned on and open QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you've logged in, look toward the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu of options from the list. Choose Invoice to open the invoice editor. When the invoice editor loads, take a look at the top right corner of the invoice preview. This is where you'll find the placeholder or space reserved for your logo. Click directly on the Add Logo option located within that area. Next, it's time to upload your logo file. You can do this in one of two ways. Either click to browse your computer and select the file manually, or if it's more convenient, simply drag and drop your logo file directly into the uploader. Once you've added the file, confirm your selection. At this point, the logo will be inserted into the designated space on your invoice. Take a moment to review how the logo looks on the invoice. Check the placement and make sure the image quality is clear and professional. If you notice that the logo looks pixelated, has a strange color tone, or includes an unwanted background, you may need to adjust the file. For the best results, ensure your logo is high resolution, uses RGB color mode, and has a transparent background. If you've followed these steps but the logo doesn't appear immediately on the invoice, don't worry. Simply refresh the page and the logo should display correctly. And that's it. With your logo successfully added, your invoices will now look polished and professional, helping you reinforce your brand with every client interaction. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.